Working with the team at the France Foundation, it's like having great colleagues, and these are the kind of people I'd want to hang out with. What we've really attempted to do in working with medical education companies such as the France Foundation is really to have a small cadre of organizations with whom we develop very strong relationships. What started the relationship with the France Foundation was really discussions about moving CME beyond one-off activities and really thinking about a curriculum, rethinking what we do, how we do it, how we build programs, and I think more than anything that's what contributed to it. Protect is supporting immunizations across the age spectrum, and it was a program that started, I think probably 2009, 2010. I've lost track a bit. And it really has a focus on increasing immunization rates for young children, for adolescents, and adults who are at high risk. How we developed Protect in collaboration with the France Foundation was really working with a group of faculty and a steering committee, talking about what the tools were that we would need, the kinds of educational modules, and then working with faculty. The France Foundation really did the heavy lifting on writing the content, on doing any video productions, on a web presence. And then as we launched Protect into further iterations, we brought in additional educational partners, and really the France Foundation kept all the moving parts together. We're beginning to mine the data now that's coming through on Protect, particularly in terms of the performance improvement, and we've seen dramatic changes in terms of what are the actual immunization rates within physicians' offices. I think what's been most heartwarming is to hear a comment from a physician that said, you know, I thought this was going to be just a boring performance improvement that I needed to do for my maintenance of certification, and wow, it really was eye-opening, and I've decided to encourage my partners to also do the project. I think it is very important in working with an organization that they understand the environment, and that comes through having people who have been part of a clinical practice, whether it be at a physician level, whether it be at a pharmacist level or a nursing level. And I think that's been a nice part of having someone like Ted Bruno be part of the team. And so I think once you get a sense of working with a team that brings together people who understand the culture of medicine, how patients are treated, what are the issues, I think then you can really have a successful product. Working with the France Foundation is like having extra staff. I mean, it's a collaboration. There is no loss of control. There is very much a sense of back and forth dialogue, regular conversations. And in fact, sometimes it feels odd when I realize it's been a few days and I haven't talked to anyone. I would recommend the France Foundation without any hesitancy to any one of my peers who wishes to engage with a medical education company. Absolutely in a breath.